In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve SEO on Google site. We'll make a few focused tweaks that help search engines understand your site and display it more clearly in results. I'll walk you through turning on indexing, crafting better titles and descriptions, using keywords the right way, and writing effective image alt text. Keep your site open so you can follow along. First, let's make sure search engines can actually find your site. In Google Sites, go to Settings, then open Viewer Tools and choose Search Settings. Enable search indexing. This simply gives search engines permission to crawl your published pages. If this is off, your content is essentially invisible even if everything else is perfect. After turning it on, remember that it can take time for search engines to revisit your site and update their results. Next, strengthen every page with a descriptive title and a clear meta description. Your page title should say exactly what the page is about and include your primary keyword in a natural way. Aim for something concise and specific, not vague. For the meta description, add a short sentence or two that summarizes the page and encourages a click. Think about what would help a visitor decide to open your page. Keep your titles unique across the site and make each description distinct so search engines don't see duplicate snippets. Now, use keywords naturally in your headings and content. Your main heading should reflect the page's topic, and subheadings should organize the information into logical sections. Place your main keyword in the headline or early in the first paragraph and weave related terms into the text where they make sense. Write for people first, keep sentences clear, avoid stuffing the same phrase repeatedly, and answer the questions your audience has about the topic. Structured, readable content helps search engines and users alike. Finally, optimize the alt text for every image and visual. Select an image, open the image options, and add alt text that briefly describes what the image shows and why it's relevant. Include a keyword only if it fits naturally. Good alt text improves accessibility for visitors using screen readers and gives search engines additional context about your page. That's it. Turn on indexing, craft strong titles and descriptions, use keywords with intent, and add meaningful alt text. Give search engines a little time to recrawl, and you should see clearer, more accurate visibility for your Google site. Thanks for watching, and happy optimizing.